Hi friends, today we are going to discuss about heart dissection. It's a goat heart. So for the dissection we need a tray, a goat heart and straws and needles, scalpel like that. Now clean the heart and see we can see that there is the abdominal front portion of the heart, and you see this is concave in shape, and the back portion of the heart is flattened, and the above heart is broad and at the bottom it is narrow. Now clean the heart by horizontally cut it, and inside we have blood clots. Remove it and then try to insert the straws from the blood vessels. So these are first from the superior and inferior vena cava. The straws comes out into the right auricle. In the same manner, from the pulmonary artery, insert straws which comes into the right ventricle. Same manner, and again try to insert the straws from the pulmonary vein which comes into the left atrium or auricle. Same manner from the systematic aorta. This we can see. Now see, this is the walls which are present inside the heart, in between the auriculoventricular septum. Just we saw the tricuspid wall. Now we are going to see the systemic walls. These are the semilunar 3 walls, and also on the same way we have bicuspid wall which is located in between the left auricle or left atrium to the left ventricle. Just see, this is the mitral wall or bicuspid wall. We can very clearly see the chord tendons which are attached to the chord tendons which are attached to the walls. When the walls move, they make sound, lump, thump. So that is the sound is produced by the walls when they function. So this is the tricuspid wall, and now bicuspid wall, and here mitral wall. All the walls we can see very clearly. Then you insert in a bottle and add formalin to preserve it in the 1:10 ratio, so we can preserve it very long.